Hey, maintenance pros, tired of unexpected breakdowns and costly downtime? What if you could predict equipment issues before they happen? That's where IoT sensors and your CMMS come in. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about choosing the right IoT sensors to supercharge your maintenance game. IoT sensors are like the eyes and ears of your equipment, tracking vibration, temperature, pressure, and humidity in real time, feeding that data straight into your computerized maintenance management system. This means no more waiting for a machine to break. Instead, you're catching issues early with predictive maintenance, like your CMMS auto-creating work orders or flagging a motor that's vibrating too much. Less downtime, fewer headaches, and serious savings. So, how do you choose the right sensors? It's not about grabbing the fanciest tech. It's about finding the perfect fit. First, ensure compatibility. Your sensors need to talk to your CMMS using protocols like MQTT or APIs. No integration, no automation. Next, focus on accuracy. Get sensors precise enough for your needs, like vibration sensors for motors or tight temperature readings for HVAC. Consider your environment. Pick sensors that can handle dust, heat, or water, with IP ratings like IP67 for tough conditions. Check power and connectivity. Go wired for reliability or wireless for flexibility, but watch battery life and range, like LoRaWAN for remote spots. And think scalability. Choose sensors that let you grow without a full overhaul. Now let's talk sensor types. Vibration sensors for motors and pumps, spot wear or imbalances, triggering CMMS work orders to prevent breakdowns. Temperature sensors for HVAC, or bearings catch overheating early. Pressure sensors for pipelines or boilers flag leaks. Humidity sensors for data centers avoid moisture damage. And acoustic sensors listen for weird sounds in valves or compressors, catching issues you can't see. Ready to start? Map your critical assets. Focus on machines that cost the most to fix or cause the worst downtime. Set clear goals, like cutting downtime by 30% or automating work orders. Check your setup. Ensure your CMMS and network can handle sensor data and involve IT early. Run a pilot. Test 1 or 2 sensors on key equipment to fine-tune everything. Then scale smart. Expand based on ROI, like a $500 sensor preventing a $50,000 failure. Avoid pitfalls like data overload, siloed systems, or skipping calibration. Keep your sensors accurate and your team trained. Want to stay ahead? Future-proof your system with AI analytics to predict failures, edge computing for faster alerts, modular sensors for easy upgrades, and open standards like APIs to avoid vendor lock-in. With the right IoT sensors and CMMS integration, you're not just maintaining, you're predicting and preventing. Start small, pick one critical asset, add a sensor, and watch the magic happen. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the Micromain YouTube channel, and ring the bell for more maintenance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.